Welcome, my friend. AFROG Multifunctional LED desk lamp with wireless charger, USB charging port. 5 lighting modes, 7 brightness levels, sensitive control, 30 to 60 minutes auto timer, eye caring office lamp 8 watt. Operating voltage DC 5 volt/3 amps, adapter already included. USB port 5 volt 1 amp. Power voltage 100 volt to 240 volt. Full range CCT 2700K to 6500K. What's in the box? 1 LED desk lamp, 1 USB cable, 1 adapter, 1 user guide. Notice, the wireless charging function needs a 5 volt/3 amp adapter to run, included in the package. Any problem? Please feel free to contact us. We will reply to you quickly in 24 hours. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.